Welcome to our instructional video on how to invite new users on your GEMLink app. First, you will need to select the gate you wish to grant access to. Navigate to the Users tab located at the bottom. Here, you'll find a list of current active, pending, and expired users. Tap on Invite Users to proceed. You'll find various options for the type of access you can grant to a new user. By default, these options are available via Bluetooth. However, granting Wi-Fi access enables remote gate control from anywhere with an internet connection, provided the GEM device is connected to stable Wi-Fi. You can invite users by selecting them from your contacts or manually entering their phone number. If entering a phone number manually, provide a name followed by the contact number. Once all details are entered, press Save. Review the information and proceed to send the invite when satisfied. Invited users will appear in the Pending tab until they log into the GEMLink app, after which they'll be moved to active users. Thank you for watching.